Hello, everyone. We are Group 8. We made GPA Calculator. My name is Christian.
My name is Uriel.
My name is Freeman.
And my name is Jake.
For our app ideas, we came across multiple possible applications and we decided to create a GPA calculator in order to make it easier for FIU students to enter their grades and keep track of their academic progress. Some of the features include allowing users to enter grades for a specific year and semester, and also giving students the ability to predict their possible GPA depending on what grade they get for an assignment. So here is like the main login page for our GPA calculator, and we're going to demonstrate that we can sign up. And then
So,
here, Christian would take over.
as Uriel was saying, when you first open up the app, you're going to be prompted to log in. Of course, if you have never created an account, that's where we have our sign up page. So we have a username, email, and password. So for username, you can type whatever. Once you sign up, you're brought into the home page, which has the current GPA. It has the history of classes where you can add a class. For example, so now that's there, and if you go back to the calculator, as you can see, the grade point average has gone up. And here you can check what the GPA would be if like the grade were to increase or decrease. For example, for this one, if you were to have a C, the grade goes down, F, so forth. So then we have the history section as well, where like you have the history of the classes. So right here, you can delete any of them. And then if you go back, now it's at a 4.0 again. And then you can log out. And you're brought back to the welcome screen. And to see, the usernames are stored and you can log back in again. I messed up. Oh, there we go. So following up, there were some things that we missed to do. For example, we needed to do a goals page. However, we had one of our team members, unfortunately, leave due to unprecedented things. And that was one of the features that we were not able to do. However, we want to implement in the future. That will allow us to show what grades a student needs to acquire, let's say, a 4.0, what they need to do, and so forth. And then Jake is going to describe what are the next steps for our application.
Some of the next steps for our application, one of the biggest things we want to integrate is for classes to be saved onto our Pierce. That way, whenever users log in and log out, the grades that they inputted will be able to be saved onto their account, and it will allow them to check back at any time.
Another feature we want to implement is that on the GPA calculator page, we wanted to show the different types of GPA, such as the cumulative GPA, the weighted GPA, and the unweighted GPA, but because of the bandwidth, we didn't get a chance to implement that.
And that's our application. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now have a good one.